This is a very simple video on how to make a backup of your entire Mac computer onto an external hard drive or a USB that you can boot from later or clone back into a new computer system. So I'm going to clone this existing hard drive to a 32 gig USB, which will be a bootable drive. I'm going to use a program called Carbon Cloner, which you can download for free, a trial version. And depending on the version you got, so operating system version here, and go into Carbon Cloner website and download the version that's compatible with your system and plug in your external or USB drive, and you'll need to reformat it on the OS X Macintosh HD journal type file system and clone it across. So here you can see the program is downloaded, and I will launch the software, and every OS X version is slightly different. Move it to the applications folder. Yep, license agreement, and we're going to disk utility to reformat the hard drive so everything on it will be wiped. So I've got my 32 gig USB on the left there, going to erase, and I'm going to use the entire partition table, so make it the same file system as what you're copying from and give it a meaningful name. And I make USBs like this that are all bootable with different various versions, which help with future jobs in the future. Here we go. Partitioning is nearly done. Great, we're good to go now. Simply go back to Carbon Cloner. And if you use this program often, do purchase the full version. Great, so for source, choose your current hard drive. Destination, choose the USB or external hard drive, and go ahead. Yep, so you will need to let it install a helper tool, and that's all there is to it. When it's fully complete, you can then reboot the system holding the Alt Option key, and then you can clone it back into a new hard drive maybe, or you can just boot off that whenever you have your nearby Mac computer. So you'll have a live USB of a OS X installation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.